Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're going to be doing a side-by-side comparison. We're going to be comparing the L'Oreal Mercier new shade in Honey with the original. So we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of both to see which shade we prefer. So L'Oreal Mercier had the translucent and it also had the medium dip. Recently they brought out the Honey shade, so I'm going to be comparing both the Honey and the original. I did a review of the L'Oreal Mercier powder. I'll put the link down below. So the L'Oreal Mercier translucent in Honey has the same specs as it had before. It says it sets makeup for 16 hours. It says the 16-hour wear. It's got a weightless texture, no photo flashback. It's lightweight, it's finely milled, doesn't add weight or texture, and it doesn't settle into the fine lines. That's exactly what the translucent claims to be. So they both have the same specs. It's £32 and for 29G. I'm just going to jump right into the application. I've got my foundation on already. I use my Lancome foundation in the shade 10 on my brow and my eyes as well. I'm going to be using my concealer and in the places where I normally highlight, which is on my eyes. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer and I'm using the shade 337. So I'm just going to let this sit for a bit and I'm going to blend. I'm going to use the original on this side and I'm going to use the Honey shade on this side of my face. This is Honey and this is translucent side by side. This is a bit yellowy and this is the normal whitish color. I'm going to start blending now with my Morphe sponge. Original on this side and I'm going to use Honey on this side. So I'm just going to blend quickly and apply. I'm going to use different sponge. So I'm going to apply the original first. I'm going to apply with the Real Technique sponge on this side. So I'm just going to blend then apply. Okay, so this is the original applied. I'll try not to put too much. So this is the original applied on this side. I'm not going to use the Honey on this side. I'm going to use the sponge. I'm going to blend. And I'm going to use the other side to apply it so it's the same, like no product on it whatsoever. So I'm going to flip it to apply it. This is the Honey one. Got Honey on this side and I've got the original on this side. So Honey and original. What I don't bake, so I just kind of press it in. I don't bake, so I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to press it in. I just love the way L'Oreal Mercier, their powders are just amazing. It's just smooth. I just going in so smoothly. It's just bam. I'm gonna put the translucent on this side, this on this side, this on this side. So this is the original. I'm doing it on this side. I'm gonna do the Honey kind of on. I'm just gonna blend out the original. Back into the Honey. It's just so finely milled. So on application, they both feel like the same. But I can see the difference, the slight difference between the two in terms of the shade. So Honey looks a bit warmer on my skin tone, and translucent is a bit more like light, a bit more bright. Honey is a bit more vibrant on my skin tone and this is a tad bit lighter than this one, but this just complements my skin a lot more. I really like the Honey so far. Well, they're both lightweight, they're both finely milled. You know, in terms of oil control, you can see it's just taking off the oil, like literally, period. Whilst I'm using L'Oreal Mercier, I might as well go into the medium. So this is the medium dip. I just love the way this powder is. It's so seamless, like it melts in like butter into the skin. It just melts literally. This is the medium deep. It's more closer to my skin tone, so I tend to do it to work for all over my face as opposed to under my eyes. I've used it for under my eyes and it's nice, so for every day I can use it all over my face. In terms of what it claims to do, the Mercier I've been using for a long time. It's long wearing. It says it's weightless, lightweight, finely milled. It is, because it's just blended in like butter really. It's just it's the color really. That's the only thing. It doesn't look cakey. It doesn't seem to have settled into any lines. It looks really smooth. It blurs the look of fine lines and imperfections, so I would say yes to that. The only thing is just the color wise, and I do think I like the honey better than the translucent, because the honey really gives me it's a vibrant look. It gives a vibrant look that I like. The translucent is beautiful. I love the translucent. You know, if you don't have a choice, you go translucent. But I think I like the honey. I think I might just start buying just honey, because it looks beautiful. It does look beautiful. Translucent, original. So this is the original and this is honey. What do you guys think? Can you see the difference? Can you see? I don't know if it's showing on camera. Can you see the difference between the two? In terms of my views on application, it's just beautiful. It just melted like butter. I've always loved the Mercier. And in terms of the color, I actually prefer honey, guys. For my skin tone, honey. If you're lighter, then translucent might be your bae. But for me, like, honey is just giving me vibes. It's giving me vibrance that I love. I don't think there's a big difference. Do we really need the honey? I think yes, I do need the honey for my skin tone. So, but I think I can still use this. I'll just finish up the rest of my makeup. I'm just gonna use a bit of lip gloss. So this is my Estee Lauder Pure Envy 106. I'm just gonna go in with my Fenty, put a bit of zzzz to my cheekbones, like just give a bit of color. See the wow, just I love this Fenty, guys. I've done a review on this Fenty. Just check out the review. It just gives a nice flush to the cheeks. Like, I use it every day. I can use it as blusher. It can, you know, it's a blusher, it's a bronzer. I just love it. So this is Fenty Imaka Mami Fenty bronzer. I use a bit of Fenty under the eye just to smoke it out. I'm just gonna finish up with my setting spray. This is the Caudalie Elixir. So in terms of my final views on this too, there is no key difference except for the color. Okay, so in terms of the way it feels, the way it, you know, it feels exactly the same. The translucent and the honey, the same feel to it. It's lightweight, it's finely milled, it's not cakey, you know, it doesn't feel heavy at all. It gives a fine, nice matte finish to the face, and I just love the feel. It just melts into the skin like butter. It's literally flawless. I love Le Mercier. It is a bit pricey for £32 for 29G, but it is, you're gonna use it for ages when you get it. Do love it. I think I love the honey. I love the new honey shade because I love the way it looks. So this is what it's looking like. This is the original and this is honey. They are both finely milled. There is no key difference except for the color. The honey is a bit more warmer. It's like yellow, it's like banana powder, but on application it looks beautiful. So this is honey and this is translucent. So translucent is a bit more on the white side, but honey is a bit more of a, I think honey suits my skin tone better. So I'm saying yes to honey. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Comment down below, you know, tell me what you think. Have you got the honey? Have you got the original? What do you think? To all my lovely subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you so much. If you're new, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Join the family. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.